Hi guys, hi everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome to Vantage webinars. Can you guys hear me clearly? If you can hear me, can you give me the thumbs up? Okay. Hi, Carsten. I believe you guys can hear me. How are you guys doing? How was the last Fridays? Okay. I think last Friday price fallen from our zones. Okay, from I think it's D1 or the block. Okay, I think it's falling almost 1,000 pip by Fridays. Anybody sell at the zones? Okay, we're gonna discuss that later. Should we just wait for, let's just say 1 to 2 minutes? Okay, I will start the session, and I hope last Fridays everyone has a good week last week and over the weekend as well. Okay, let me check in app last week and okay, everything it look fine to me. What's going on with Go right now? Okay, now it's the TBA London session right now. Okay. All right. Shall we just begin our session? Again, welcome everyone. Thanks for joining me today. Okay, so today it's all about live trading section. You can send a request if you have any like specific instrument you want me to look for key level, okay, or maybe ask for my setup, but again, don't trust me 100%. Okay, I could be wrong. Okay, my trading win rate is not 100%. Okay, it's about 70 to 80%. I'm gonna tell you. Okay, and sometimes also hits my stop loss. All right. Okay, so before we start the webinar, disclaimer first, all right, guys. Everything in this video is purely educational in nature. Nothing in this video should be considered as an investment recommendation or any kind of trading advice. If you want to follow my kilowatt or the setup, okay, please be cautious. Okay, don't trust me 100%. And risk warning over here, trading forex and CFD carries significant risk and it may not suitable for all investor. And about myself, my name is Maggie. I'm an investment analyst and a prop trader at Everest Foraging Group. Okay, I'm gonna open the Forex Factory because we have quite a number of high impact news this week that you guys need to take note of. Where is my Forex Factory? Okay, I'm gonna pull out again. So right now, okay. Oh, now it's already morning in the UTC, 8 a.m. Okay, so my time zone is about 4 p.m. Okay, so December 19, basically I'm gonna just filter the tick is only high impact news, which is a race box only. December 15, 1:30 p.m. we have Canadian dollars. December 16, Tuesday, 7 a.m. we have a GBP coming and Euro as well at 8:30 to 9:30 for the GBP. Then they put a tentative for ADP weekly employment change. 1:30 p.m. Wow, this is very high impact news. Okay, you see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on December 16. From 1:30 p.m. to 2:45, we have about 6 to 7 impact news for the US dollar. We have average hourly earning, core retail sales, non-farm employment change, retail sale, unemployment rate, fresh PMI, and another PMI services right here. So even though today we have no news, but since market open, okay, for gold, price has already rising. I think it's about, it is 500 pip. 500 pip, how many pips that from the market open today? No, today was or somewhere around here. Let me see. Just I'm gonna estimate. Yeah, almost 500 pip. almost 500 pip, since the market open. Okay. And December 17, we have a GBP at 7 o'clock for the CPI and Kiwi dollar at 9:45. Okay. And December 16, we have a GBP at 12:30. At 12 o'clock p.m. and 12:30 we have another GBP as well. And 1:15 to, no, only 1:15 p.m. we have a Euro coming up. 1:30 we have unemployment claim and CPI. And then we also have the core CPI, they put tentative, okay, which is on December 16. And Friday, basically Friday we don't have new that will be affected ending the private US dollars, but we have a GBP at 7 a.m. for retail sale, and we have yen, which is they put tentative. Okay, so basically yen, whenever they put a tentative, we try not to trade, okay, yen or any currency that pair with yens. Okay? Okay, let's move on. Wow, right now gold is just bounce off. Okay, I'm gonna bring you guys to the chart. Let me open. And right now, here. Okay. This was the setup I was talking about. Okay, you see maybe it's a bit messy. I'm gonna explain again last uh Friday. Right, you see that this is our OB, right? You see that, which is daily time frame OB, and you see price go come to the OB and then falling right from here, which is like last Friday. From the high to the low is about, oh no, Friday, no, it's almost 10,000, 1,000 pip, almost 1,000 pip, Friday. Okay, and now they back up again. So right now, this is our sell zone, guys. This is our H4OB. Okay. Of course, it's high risk, but price is still within the OB. It might respect this OB or go all the way up. Or I don't know how is the London session. You can see that in H1, right? We zoom in. Oh my goodness. This is another OB. So basically, this is our sell zones. This is the OB or order block. OB in H1, right? And this is the OB in H4. Okay, so basically this is our sell zones. Guys, you can sell now if you want to sell. Okay, basically this our enter sell right now. This is your sell zone, guys. If you can take risk, this is the zones. Sell. I know it's gonna be quick, okay, because price already at our entry. The stop loss, this is a sell zone, okay, price already within the zone. I already put my pending order. Okay. But of course, we're gonna see whether London is gonna sell here or they're gonna want to go up and take the New York high, which is at like 50 plus, so which is here. Okay, but I just sell based on the zones, and price already go in my zone at my sell zone, right there. For the pullback, we go to the lower time frame, right? So you want to sell, you sell, you target just now what at, you can aim here for the recent low or the swing low that is 100 pip. Okay, that is 100 pip. All right, guys, that is 100 pip. Anybody sell? Don't overtrade. Okay. The reason I sell price within the zone, right? And then the M5, M15 price closing with the berry and gap here actually closing. I think if I go for another, yeah, you see that. Then they go back here to the OB M15. That's the reason why I argue to sell. It's here. Okay, M15. Okay. Do here. If you sell the TP first, you please send the swing low here first for the TP one. Guys, if you want to follow my signal, okay, be cautious. Okay, don't overtrade and don't trust me. If you want to buy, if you think that, hey, Picky says sell, but I think I want to buy. I look different. Like you think that you have like your setup is not the same. You just follow yours. Okay, just follow yours. Stop loss I will put above this 35. That will be too far, right? Let's say if I were to put at 53 from the entry at about 40, you're gonna put stop loss like more than 100 pips. So it's up to you. If you think it's too far, why are you gonna put stop loss? This is gonna be the stop loss at 47, which is your stop loss is about 50 pips. If you think that okay, I cannot put my stop loss so far, like 100 more than 100 pip, and then you just put at the recent high, which is 47. Okay. Okay, let's look at for the bigger picture. Last week, remember? Last week, I'm gonna recap. Last week's price, something like that. I said, okay, that's an OP. One, I would say either they're gonna make the ABC, right? They're gonna do like that. And I told you that the zone is still valid. It's gonna do like the ABC, or which is this is like a B or C if they're gonna do something like that. Okay, remember? My setup always the same because price is still here. I was waiting somewhere around here. Second, if they not do something like that, another scenario is this price may be doing the either sideways like this. Okay, may doing sideways like this. Okay, maybe doing sideways like this. One. Okay. Either this is the go to the A and go to BC like a being zigzag. Being zigzag, right? It's something like only like that. But since right now price has go to this level, either this gonna be the doing like a zigzag, big, or you see here B or falling, or they just want to go, or maybe make all-time high rejection before falling, or just maybe here and then falling, or maybe here. So right now we don't know. Okay, I need to monitor. Okay, but right now gold is in the OB in the D1 time frame, right? Here. Okay, and I mean this has also another OB, right, in H4. Okay, and now we have the OB in H4, right, which is here. And after that, we zoom in, we narrow down the zone. We have another OB in D1, right? This is a D1 time frame. Or not your H1 time frame. Oh, okay. And now price had falling and asked you to sell based on the pullback at this zone, which is 44, 42, 44. So I will stop loss at 47. Meaning we're gonna have very tight stop loss about 30 pip because if price break above this high and break above 47, and the next zone actually, if you think okay the zone is too small, too narrow, you can take risk. Then you put the stop loss above 43.55. Okay, but if you think that are too far, then this is where you put the stop loss, tight stop loss. And now we enter sell, right? We're gonna enter sell here and then you hold. Okay, this is M1. Okay, like I was looking at M1 and then I was say, okay, this was the high, right? Like the lower low, lower high, lower low. And from here, this could be the low, or this the low and this the high, but I'm kind of looking at this. We somehow can say that it seems like they break this low. Maybe this one, right? Then they make the low, 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 high, low, low. From here, they should falling. That's why I will just put my stop loss above this high. Okay, tight stop loss. Okay, and then if you were to sell at just now at 42, your stop loss about 33 is about 100 pip. Okay. Or anybody want to sell at which level? Please share with me. Let me check. Okay, let me check in app for a while. Anybody send anything? Okay, so these are our cell zone. Okay, guys, our cell zones. I just follow my own setup, and then I think I'm gonna have a tight stop loss for myself. Oh, price the lady falling just now was somewhere here. I have tight stop loss. Okay, then TP1, I'm gonna put here. Then you can aim for the TP1 somewhere around at these zones. TP1, and then I will go to the TP2 somewhere around this zone. TP2. Okay. And then I will go for maybe I'm gonna have a tight stop loss. This is the SL. Okay. You don't need to follow me, okay? If you think that too far and then too narrow, you put above 55, which is another like only small a little about 100 pip. Okay, and this was my entry somewhere around this. Okay, this for scalping, that's why I put my stop loss tight. If not, you can adjust the stop loss, put above 1.5, put above 1.56. Risk and reward, it may not be. The TP1 is less than that. TP2, I think you can aim for TP2, which is at almost risk and reward 1 to 1. Okay, but I'm not gonna put too far for my, okay. And price is already falling from the entry at 43, right? Falling now it's at 41. Just now falling 41 is about 20 pip. Now it's rising. Okay, we're gonna come back here and then we're gonna see whether price gonna hit stop loss or TP. Okay. Okay, now shall we look at the dollar? Okay, my dollar, of course, they look for the value. That may be the reason gold is rising because dollar is falling. Okay, negative like correlation. You see the equal high broken below this key level. Okay, and then after they see that a pullback in the right here and then falling, or it's here then falling. Okay, as long as they not break above this high, make like that. You make like that, we need a momentum shifting from the bearish to bullish. Okay, but right now they are on the bearish move. We could either say here or here, and this is the first resistance. This second. So the this was the high at 98.53. So it captured the week, almost this week. Okay. Let's see whether price gonna bounce. Or if they continue keep falling like that, then we talking about the correlation, meaning that gold will be rising. Okay, if dollar keep falling like this, dollar gonna be rising. Okay. Okay, that's key level. I'm gonna put here for the first part. Right? The next key level was here. Second support level, meaning bearish move for the dollar. We can use the Ichimoku cloud. You can see that price have broken below, pull back. Okay, so this on the downtrend. Whenever price stay below, this is the downtrend. When price stay above, it's the uptrend. Whenever price closing and starting to the cloud, it's changing momentum. You can exit your position when price go to the cloud. Okay. So right now if you sell gold together with me, basically they are ranging. They're not moving anywhere in a lower time frame, similar to this morning. Okay, I mean my morning my time zone, okay? Like this morning in the M15 or even M5, right? It was ranging here. It was just being the triangle or being sideways. Okay, you see that? Right, you see this are the body before they rise. Okay, so on the head 4 M15, right, either you gonna put stop loss above the swing high. Okay, so you up to you. Okay, now GBP/USD, let's see on a higher time frame. Okay, price has respect the first resistance, but slightly like going above and closing with belly in gap. This is my intermediate support level, so I'm monitor this level, which is usually price falling a few times. The price can hold at 1.3355. Yeah, at this level. So right now, if you want to sell, again, this is going to be your sell zone with the OB. Okay, with the OB here. Okay. You guys don't want to request? Anyone? No? If you, okay, anyway, if you sell gold, you just go for small lot size, 0.01. Okay, just go for 0.01, okay? Don't put too high. Okay, so right now the OB, if you want to sell, if they're gonna pull back again to the zone, 1.343, 1.3405. Why I suddenly feel so sleepy? Okay, you can don't request. I will just go ahead with the measure. Okay, you can. Okay, you see that? I thought it's gonna be OB here, maybe somewhere here, but it seems like they're going to break below and probably stay below the cloud as well. Okay, so right now gold is rising to 44. Okay, D1 rise strong, close below. You see the red cloud. Then I would say this the here stop loss. Not stop loss, it's the first resistance level. Okay. Mm. Mm. Where is the my slide? Maybe it's just hang on. What is my window? Okay. This is going to be my first resistance for the D1. Okay. When we zoom in, you see that, right? Price have stayed away from the cloud, really strong bullish momentum. This is a pullback resistance level. Okay. This is resistance level right now. And this is the second resistance. This is the first resistance. Oh, now gold is rising. Okay, guys, the stop loss, if you put at 47, it's about 46.5. And then it might stop loss. If not, you can put above 51, 43.51. Okay, this is my second support. Second support. Okay, this is my second support. Okay, meaning we might want to see, let's see the EU or here the UK. Okay, pull here before it's falling. But right now, this their multi-swing low support level. Okay, somebody asked me something. Okay, Becky, okay, do you think Forex will still move big this week or almost thin liquidity? This week is still move. Normally, I think after this week onward, you will see like very low liquidity. Okay, so this our sales zone for gold. Sorry, I did not see who coming. Guys, this is our sell zone for gold. If you want to sell gold right now, right? Okay, you can put the stop loss above 47, or you can put stop loss above 60 or 51. So it's up to you. Okay, but this is our sell zone. Where is my setup? Okay, my setup was here. Okay, you see just now price in three here, price falling, now going back up. I put a stop loss, tight stop loss 43. If you think that too close, you can adjust the stop loss. It's up to you. Okay, because there is going to be, this is the zone, this is the OB. Okay, and then the TP one, you aim for the recent low here and here. If not, you think that okay, stop loss is too close, you can put above 51. Like this is the high, right? This high bought at 53, you can put up 56. So it's up to you. Okay, depend on your lot size, depend on your account size. Okay, it's all up to you. So like next week, I think this week is normal because you see that the joy when I show you the for the factory, right? This week I think we're gonna see on tomorrow, Tuesday. This is UTC, okay, GMT plus zero. So you just change the time zone according you leave. You see tomorrow onward, and on like December 16, we have like one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, about seven to 8 news for US dollars. Yeah, either tomorrow it's gonna fly high or it's gonna just falling like crazy. I think tomorrow. But right now, it's just that right now price just at the OB in daily time frame D1. This is the big OB, right? You see that? There's a last Friday price falling from the OB almost 1,000 pip. From here to here. Now it's go back again. We're gonna see how the London session doing, right? This was the New York high on Friday. This is the Asia high. I think so, yeah. And then pull back. Okay, so they're gonna clear the New York, or they just want to sell first. And then we wait for the New York action. Okay, but right now this is London. See what London gonna do. But today, since the market open, price is rising almost 500 pip. I think from this market open was at my time zone somewhere around here. I'm gonna pick here. Right, it's about 450 pip. Okay, and take out the you see that the New York PM high. Maybe this is the Asia high. Either what I want to see, I want the okay London sell, maybe clear somewhere here, clear the Asia, and then maybe pull back, or maybe continue to go here. But right now we are in the OB. So the reason I told you already, right? One, we have this one is the H4OB, right? Within the zone still. In H1, we also have narrowed down the zone. We have another OB in H1 here. In the M15, I sell. Just I was selling here at the like a supply zone. But now you can see you can sell again, right? At about 47 within this OB here. That's why the stop loss, you put this high or you put above at 56. So it's up to you, okay? Any question? Any question, guys? So the TP, you can aim a TP1 here, right? But whenever price already close below your entry, certain pip, you can just chip stop loss to break even. At least you protect your capital. Okay, not that price falling over here, take profit and then you watch out and look price rising and hit the stop loss. No, then the price falling at least maybe somewhere here, you chip stop loss to about break even. Even though price rising, at least you earn something around here from your entry. Okay, so it's up to you. You put here stop loss or you put here. Okay. Anybody sell? If you guys sell, you let me know. Okay. Anybody sell gold at the entry? Like here. My first entry at 43. Then just the price went into 46. I have another entry. So basically like 30 pip above. Very small lot size. Okay. Don't need to like overtrade. Today it's just the first week, which is Monday. Sometimes Monday go it crazy. Sometimes it's just quiet. But maybe today it's a move a lot. And then tomorrow we're gonna see. Okay, so this is a level. I will cover where UCAT, right? Okay, look at the UCAT again. So basically right now they are at multi-swing low support. Okay, so if they can break lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, now it's make kind of equal. So you can go below and then they might continue to move bearish. So you look for the sell entry. When it pull back, if the back pull back and then they sell. Okay, but these are the key level for the USD CAD, guys. Anyone want to request? I don't know how many of you. I did not see. I just look at the chat. Hi Nina, you can request, okay, if you want me to look for the key level. Okay, you let me know. UJ, what do you think about USD JPY? Anybody trade yen? I'm go to monthly. First monthly we saw somehow. Can we say that it's the trend line? Not really. Maybe we would say that monthly. I'm gonna do here is ranging in the big pictures. Okay, it's what ranging, and then I go to weekly. Weekly, you also can see it's what ranging as well, right? Do you want? Okay. Do you want time frame, right? At the resistance level, it is resistant. Yeah, the yen, they have the interest coming, just stay away from yen. JPY is not my favorite pair anyway because the Bank of Japan, they always, I mean, not always, most of the time, they just like out of nowhere, just announce or just see like they like to intervene the market. So it's not my favorite. So this is the first support. This is the first resistance. Okay, and D1, I can start to see they make the lower high. Okay, go to H4. Very hard to find the key level. First visible, second support, first support, second resistance in H4. Okay, and the first resistance. Okay, so I think they're gonna fall at least to this level. Okay. Do you sell gold? Anyone? This is a key level. I'm gonna move on to the BTC. Okay, guys. since you guys don't request. Let's look at the BTC. Okay, BTC has stayed below 90K. Okay. Just now price is rising to the resistance level. This I still think this is gonna be my first resistance. Okay. This is the second resistance right here. Oh, this is a D1. Okay, we go to H4. Yeah, in H4 time frame, right, our resistance was here, the pullback for the BGC, and the second resistance was here. So right now they are falling. First support. Okay, what we're gonna do when thing like this? So in H4 is what ranging, right, at this level. So I think I'm gonna move, and then I'm gonna put here my first resistance for the BTC. The closer look, this is second resistance. Okay. Okay, the question is EUR. Okay, someone buy EU at, okay, I'm gonna go back to EUR later after this. Okay, I would say my for here to the first. If not, we're gonna have the zones, which is a supply zone somewhere around this level. Okay, this is a killable. Okay, guys. Okay, go back to the EU again. You buy 1.161. 1.161. You hold for so long. Eh? Oh, so you still hold your position. 161. 161 is below here. You still hold your position. 161 is somewhere around here, like very far. Somewhere here, 161. Somewhere around here, your entry in black color. But only when 162. Where's 162? Wait, buy limit. Okay, buy limit will not trigger at 1.1. You put where? This is 111. You put exactly 1.100, is it? If you put exact at 1.100 here. Is it here? So you put here exact 1.100. If you put pending like that, mostly you don't get the entry. You don't put the pending order with ending with 0, ending with 5. Yeah, if you put like that, you kind of miss entry. If you were to put here, yeah, you cannot put the pending order like this. You need to put more. You see that? And you put exactly here, but actually this was the zone. Okay, this was the zone since here to here. The zone right here. You see that you put exactly at this zone, price did not come. Sometimes price did not come to this zone. You go to the lower time frame, right? There were not that many people put a pending order, so don't put the pending order or buy limit, sell limit at the like anything at ending with 0 or ending with 5. Okay, but most of the time you won't get the entry. And now you see it's quite high. Yeah, right, you see that? Break my extension all the way, break my first resistance. Now it become my pullback support right now. So I need to monitor again. I mean, I need to identify the key level. This is gonna be the support, but then my intermediate support level is here. It's gonna be the zones. Second. Okay, second. So right now, I could see that they are in the bearish. Are they gonna make the flag? Are they gonna make the flag right now? What flag is it? Bullish or bearish flag? What do you think? It is gonna be like that. It look like the bearish is a bullish for me. Yeah. It looks something like that. Right? Go with the flag and go to H4, right? So right now, what you need to do, you need to wait for the breakout. Yeah, they just look like that. You need to wait for them to break. Maybe here breakout and you buy. Can we say that it look like? We don't know yet, right? Because this one price may not touch or may just break. So this one could be a bearish trend line. Okay, so we wait for another touch for the below one. Okay, so now maybe we in the channel. Okay, this is a zone. All right, guys. Okay. Any question, guys? Anyone? I'm gonna pause here. You have any question to ask me? No? Okay, let's continue. No one want to ask. Okay. Which pair should we look? So this one you just monitor. Okay, for the resistance, we just aim for this first resistance right now. at this swing. So basically, with the price gonna respect the channel from here, the power up, they're gonna form the flag here. Okay. Okay, I still have 10 minutes. We see where it's go moving right now. Okay, so go is not falling. Again, the zones. This gonna only sell zones. Okay, if price is not falling from this level, you just let it go, meaning just let it hit a stop loss and then you wait for the New York. Okay, at the New York, you put the stop loss. If you put at 47, just now you will hit a stop loss. You put above like this swing, it haven't hit yet. Okay, so right now let me see. Oh, are they going to make again? Okay, you can, if hit stop loss, you can re-enter. They might want to make the divergence. I think they're gonna make the divergence here. Okay, they're gonna fall somewhere around this zone soon. You start to see the divergence here. Okay, so this is the wick in the body. It's a OP in H1. Okay, so we're gonna see how the price gonna make a divergence here, which is now it's at 43. Then you see the rejection, or maybe they could go up to 50. We're gonna see and then make the divergence. Okay, and then you put the stop loss above 53, this swing. If price did not respect, then meaning that they're gonna fly high. Okay, then we're gonna monitor. All right, guys. So far, so good. Any question before I end, guys? Okay, monitor this zone, your sell zone, somewhere around here. Okay. No question? If no question, I think I'm gonna end the webinar. I'm gonna see you again on on Wednesday. All right, guys. Okay, so that should be all for today then. All right, thank you so much for joining my webinar, guys. This is the sales zone already. Okay, stop loss put above 53 and hit the stop loss, then you wait for the next entry. Okay. All right. Okay, guys, that should be all for today. Thank you so much for joining me. Okay, look out for the zone here. Okay, there might be a divergence falling. At least you aim for this low first lah. 39. That's about more than 100 pips. Okay, we're gonna see. All right, guys. Okay, all the best as well. Bye for now, guys. Take care. All right, bye bye. Good luck.